Okay, and for me, stairways are a big deal. Well, everything is a big deal. With the stairways, even more so because of the first thing that you see walking in through the door usually. You come in the front door, you come in the garage, whatever, you see the stairways. You see all that gunk on there, and it's always kind of depressing walking into the house, seeing how dirty everything is. But when done right, you know, I meticulously go over stairways. Kind of my style. I know a lot of guys won't do it this way because it takes literally forever, and I am using a upholstery tool. Most guys are using a stair tool. The upholstery tool actually allows me to do a lot tighter passes, and I have a little bit more control over it. And I do both the step here and the riser in the back there. So both areas, you can kind of see the lines on there going all the way up, and then the bowl nose, you know how we saturated those real good with the cleaning solution. We also come by, we detach the hose from our tool, and we make sure that we give it a really good section along there, as well as the crevices along the wall, that back edge there, and across there. And then we go over the step one more time with the upholstery tool just to give it a good final extraction without any water, just to pick up any extra moisture or any dirt that might be lingering behind in the carpets. And that always, from what I can tell, does an extremely good, thorough job. So, and if there were pets in this situation, I did groom for pet hair. There was a minimal amount of hair. It wasn't necessarily bad, but one thing that you would do is you take your finger and you run it along the corners here, and if you're pulling up hair on your fingers, that's an indication that there's a lot of hair on here. And so we'll pull out a brush and basically be grooming the carpet on the stairways the same as we would with the CRB, for the same purpose of just pulling up matted hair that might be around there. So that gets up any matted hair that's along there. In this scenario, there is no matted hair, so we're not dealing with that. Just doing that to explain the processes of different scenarios and things that you do to kind of, because it's very dynamic cleaning situation. You just have to switch what you're doing, change your tools, and do a little extra here and there depending on the situation. Hey you guys, Jeffrey Howells Carpet Cleaning. Thanks for watching today's video. For me, carpet cleaning is like art. I really do put my heart and soul, blood, sweat, and tears into my work. And for me, it is a piece of art because it reflects who I am as a person, as far as trying my best to bring as much gratification to the customer as I possibly can. So I provide as much value as possible. So if you're looking for carpet cleaning or have any questions regarding carpet cleaning in general, feel free to leave comments in the space below, or you can call me directly at 503-939-0534. Catch you in the next video. Till then, God bless and have an awesome day.